If your space is limited, you could go for a wall plant. This will give you plenty of colour in the garden. Have a look at this one here. This one clings on by itself via these tendrils. This one does not. It's a Ceria, beautiful colour, but you have to put a support system in before you plant this particular plant. Wires along a fence would do perfectly well. You need to tie it in as it's growing. There's no point in tying it in after it's fully grown, it just flop forward. So tie it in as it's growing and then cover the whole wall. Have a look at this one. Clematis Pixie, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't it absolutely beautiful? If you have a little courtyard garden, look at the colour of that in the spring. Beautiful little plant. Again, this one needs a support system. You need to tie it in. It doesn't have the tendrils as this clematis does, so it needs a bit of tying in. Have a little look at this one, Solanum. Look at that flower, isn't that gorgeous? Again, this doesn't have a tendril way of holding onto the wall, so again, a support system is needed.